So, here's today's project. Oof. So, I don't know how they managed to do this. Maybe they broke the pin and somehow, what is that, an 80 or 90 millimeter pin? 80 mil. We got some cracks. We need to make that right. Here we go. All right, so started off, I had to make a couple of washers. Had some 1-inch stainless laying around, so I went ahead and plased them out. And we're gonna start heating and crunching. This is gonna take a while. Fire. Well, that's better. All right, gonna go ahead and start scribing out these cracks and get this thing all welded back up. All right, after about a 10-month break, I'm finally back on this bed chicken and skived out, replaced all those welds. Gonna run a bead here, then I'm gonna flip the bucket over and do that. And a good thing to practice whenever you're working on this stuff, knock these burrs off while it's in, because I don't know if you've ever had one of these under your skin, you know how miserable they are. So anyway, let's weld it up. Here's some really good examples. These little bad chickens here, especially that one right there. Doesn't matter if you're wearing gloves or not. Those suckers will go right through your glove and lay your finger open. It's horrible. So I like to grind them off. Anyway, yeah. All right, so we got her all welded up, scarfed out, welded up, ready to go. I just have just a little bit more of tweakage I got to do on that ear and bring her back in. So not a very good day for heat, but bring it. Anyway, there we go. All right, I had an old used 80 millimeter pin. There's a little bit of wear right here, but no worries. Pin is in. Full disclosure, my ears are not perfectly parallel, and I did have to drive that last, half a hole, so ½ inch to get her to set. So I was hoping the pin would be loose, but I'm nowhere near parallel. I'm a little bit off on both ears. But yeah, only took me 10 months to do. So